It takes 30 seconds, guys. You can do this at www.merseygigguide.co.uk. It's absolutely free. It makes absolute total sense in my book. Righty, okay, this week's number 7, guys. It's down 1 this week. It is Little Sparrow with Polly Tunage.
Come home, Polly. Your words, they paint a picture. The dust won't settle until you're safe back home. I can see you up here from my window staring back at me. If I throw them to you, would you tie my wishes to the tree? Let's play horses. You jump and run a canter. We play hide and seek from the ones we love. I can see you up here from my window staring back at me. If I threw them to you, would you tie my wishes to the trees? Come home, these walls are so bare. Your voice is so missed, and the attic is shake your clothes down. Its beauty falls around you. Bright, bold colors shoot out into the sky. I can see you up here from my window staring back at me. If I threw them to you, would you tie my wishes to the trees? Come home, these walls are so bare. Your voice is so missed, and the attic is wishes to the tree.
Are you in a band or a solo act based in the Northwest? If you would like your music played on Round Sound Radio, please send your MP3 to us. roundsound@inbox.com. Sorted.
You're amazing.
Righty, this week at number 15 we have a brand spanking new entry by Miss Styley with Shake That Ass featuring D Treble X. Bit of hip hop, bit of rap. I think it's the first time it will have made an appearance in our chart. Still, nonetheless, this is a very good tune by a very good act and fully deserves to make entry this week. This is Miss Styley, Shake That Ass, this week's number 15.
So you press play, party underway, arrive half cut, straight shot in Bombay. What more can I say? Higher pot space, shades on my face in case my eyes too glazed. Start turning up the heat, letting off steam. Drop it down, now me going high to the beat. I kill it on the rhythm beat, swag to a T. Chicken bounce a beaty like a damn tambourine. Ayy, act a bit loco, don't mean that I'm showboat. Yeah, we going hard to leave the sky so you know no. Chicks got the ink, that's a me upon your logo. Light skin Coco from Liverpool to Soho. Now they need the photo, Instagram for promo. Catch a few more followers upon the go, yo. Man loses mojo when he see me on the show, though. Knows that I'm sick, right back a Quasimodo. Let go.
This chick so sick that I can't breathe. Go bounce that ass and flick your weave. Shake that ass on me. Come on, baby. Shake that ass on me. Come on, baby. Make it clap for me. Come on, baby. Shake that ass on me. Go bounce that ass and flick your weave.
Said I'ma get him, I'm a god kid, I'm a villain. I got bars about these cars that all these women wanna get in. Shut down all of the stars, grab the moon and have them spinning. Cam sort I'm out of space, first class when we jet in. Monster on the roster, and these rough arm can sweating. Yeah, do it proper nowadays, no kidding. Used to be the chick up on the Scouse house spitting. Now I'm hitting special guest lists now for the thrilling. Big for an appearance, give the crazy cats a licking. Now the chicks who got a distance, but no groupies when we chillin'. Ordering in the Ciroc, splash around the ceiling, getting high up on my stock. Don't mean that I'm dealing, now I'm letting the rhythm. I'm spitting, kicking and brain splitting and missing and tripping and flipping into a maze of a prison. A risen citizen vision, a clear state of opinion. Raving, yeah, dribbles of billions. Let go.
This chick so sick that I can't breathe. Go bounce that ass and flick your weave. Shake that ass on me. Come on, baby. Shake that ass on me. Come on, baby. Make it clap for me. Come on, baby. Shake that ass on me. Go bounce that ass and flick your weave.
To shit out. You've got no friends. You don't know drowned?
Them fucking Hawks are playing well, I'm telling you.
Well, you want some?
Huh?
You want some?
Well, the Hawks are playing well, wouldn't
You
they?
want some or what?
Are you read?
You want some
They're
or what?
fantastic. They're fantastic.
You're playing shit because you've got no fans.
What
And you're
are
a
you
load of wankers. If you want some, I'll give it you. You want to do with me?
I'm joking, man. I'm
Righty, number 14 this week, guys. We see a brand new entry from Mr. Andrew Hesford. His past two singles have been very, very successful in our chart. The first one only left, I think it was 2 weeks before his new one, but Andrew has been in the chart either way since it began. That is an achievement in its own right, that. His new single is called I Wish You Were Here. This is a lovely tune. It's a bit of a sad one, like, but absolutely lovely tune. Have a go with this week's number 14.
In the quiet of the room, mostly empty space, no voice but my own. In the corner a case, guitar still unplayed, and all still brand new. Never seen a tune. I bought it just for you. I wish you were here. Now you have gone. The world that we built is over and done. I wish you were here. Now you have gone. Let me with your song. And I'm all alone. You wrote down your life. The pages got full. Experience so wide. Always varied. Never done. Happy the man who evens life's score. There's so much to write. What a pity, won't be anymore. I wish you were here. Now you have gone. The world that we built is over and done. I wish you were here. Now you have gone. And left me with your song. And I'm all alone. And I'm all alone. You've left me with your song.